Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you another exciting recipe, and this is going to be a combination of my amazing iced cocoa combined with instant coffee. We are going to make amazing iced mocha fudge. For the recipes today, I'm going to make them in 3 cup sizes. I have here 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces. And the ingredients that I am going to use will be accessible to everyone. These are commercial brands. For my cocoa, I'm going to use Hershey's. This is 100% cacao, natural, unsweetened. And this is exactly what I would recommend. I don't want to use those that are sweetened or those that have non-dairy creamer added to them. This way, you won't have a resulting drink which is too sweet. And for the coffee, because this is a mocha, I'm going to use instant coffee. I'm going to use Nescafe here. Again, this is not the 3-in-1 variety. You can use any brand. For the milk, I'm going to use my Carnation condensed milk and also evaporated milk, the same brand. But there are also other brands available. You can use whatever is available to you. But let's start with the first drink, the 12 ounces cup. For all the drinks today, I'm going to use a tall measuring cup. For 12 ounces, I need 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Into this, add 1.5 tablespoons of hot water to dissolve the instant coffee. To get that rich texture, we are going to use a milk frother to make a Dalgona-style instant coffee mix. And then we are going to add 1 scoop of cocoa powder and then our condensed milk. Stir the mixture together to get that sticky mocha fudge. Get your 12-ounce cup, fill it with ice, pour the evaporated milk or any milk of choice, and then finish it off with your mocha fudge. Scrape everything from the measuring cup into your serving cup, and you get this deliciously looking 12 ounces iced mocha fudge. Next, we are going to make our 16-ounce cup. And to this, I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoon of instant coffee. Add about 1.5 tablespoon of hot water to dissolve the instant coffee. Use the milk frother to get that thick texture. Add 1.5 scoop of cocoa powder, the condensed milk. This time I'm using 75 grams. You can adjust this according to your preference later. Stir to combine all the ingredients together and you get this texture that I am looking for. It is looking really, really good and it's smelling great as well. Into your cup full of ice, add your evaporated milk. Shake to settle the ice at the bottom and pour your mocha fudge over. This is looking absolutely fabulous. (16 ounces iced mocha fudge. Finally, let's make our 22-ounce cup. And for this, I am going to use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of hot water to dissolve the coffee. Froth until you get that thick textured Dalgona away. Add 2 scoops of cocoa powder. (90 grams of condensed milk. Stir to combine and you get that beautiful texture. Fill your cup with ice. Pour your evaporated milk over. You don't need to fill it to the top, just halfway through. And then shake to settle the ice at the bottom and then pour your mocha fudge over. So this is about half evaporated milk and about half mocha fudge. Very rich, very creamy, and absolutely tempting. Now, all the recipes that I have included in this video clip could be sweet or too strong for you, so you can adjust according to your own preferences. But first, try my recipes before you make any adjustments. And this is our final drink, iced Mocha Fudge in 22-ounce cup. Okay, there you go. What is more amazing than my amazing iced cocoa? Well, I would say it's my amazing iced mocha, and all you need to do here is to add instant coffee. Instant coffee with chocolate, somehow I don't like the taste of it. It is just the perfect combination. I'll just try the fudge first. Yeah, coffee and chocolate combination is absolutely perfect, and this is just instant coffee. For the milk, you just add halfway. You don't have to fill it to the top because they are going to combine. So it's going to be water with your milk and also your fudge. So it won't be too overwhelming. Wow, who would have thought this is instant coffee? It tastes just like those premium mocha, if not better. These recipes are just perfect, not utterly sweet, and the coffee is not too strong, not overwhelming, and so it's just a perfect balance between the coffee, the sweetness, and the cocoa powder. If you have any questions at all about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you get notified every time I publish a new video. This channel can give you all the ideas that you might need to start a cafe or a milk tea shop business. One way to support my channel is to click that subscribe button and also share this video so that more people will have access to this channel and also the ideas that I share with you all. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.